Situational judgment tests, SJT, give realistic, hypothetical scenarios, and you must choose the most appropriate response. Situational judgment tests, or SJT, generally cover the following areas: communication, being a team player, building relationships, organization and planning, focus on customer. Here are some example practice questions. Here is an example question testing your ability to be a team player. You have a colleague that keeps asking you to check their assignment at the last minute. Today, the colleague has asked you to help edit her assignment when you are working on a presentation. You see that this will consume the better part of your day as it needs a lot of work. What should you do? The correct answer is D. Helping your colleague now solves the immediate problem and then make plans for a long-term solution. Here is a customer service example. A customer claims you assured them yesterday that an item would be in stock today, but it is not. You were not on duty yesterday, but you know the item will not be in stock for 3 weeks. The item is a birthday gift, and the birthday is that day. What should you do? The correct answer is C. The item isn't in stock and isn't going to be. That is the reality. Asking about the friend's interest might help the customer find a better gift. The other choices are delaying tactics, which nobody likes. Being a team leader example. You note that a girl on your team who has always been punctual is now regularly showing up late. You suspect it is because she moved in with her boyfriend. How would you address the issue? The correct answer is B. Talking to her and learning why she has been late is the best choice and the best first step. The other choices will build resentment in her. Creative thinking example. Your store registered 2% of your customers to the company's loyalty scheme, which was below the 12% target. What should you do to increase performance? The correct answer is B. Ask your team to change the way they ask clients to sign up by making it more personal. This approach will convince customers to sign up without bribing them. The other choices will do very little to boost signups. Visit us online for free practice questions, test information, complete study guide, and online courses.